Hello guys, welcome back again to our study session. So, continue tayo sa Ilocano folk song, no? Um, Again, I'll try my best to make it short. Make it short. Okay. So, without further ado, let's get started to lullabies. Kasi tapos na tayo sa sa Farewell and Sadness. So, Dungaw or Dirge is a traditional morning song, okay? Panagpakada, Dirge, Pananwakan, Biag ko, it's a deathbed song. Nung malapit ka nang mamatay. Ganun. So, you're living your life. Ganun. So, dito naman tayo sa lullabies, childhood and childhood. So, duaya, simply meaning lullaby. Ha? Isipin nyo na lang na L yung double Y. Lullaby. Duaya. Okay? So, next. Dito. Next, Ilocano work and daily life folk song. So, manamili. These are ibig sabihin yan potters. So the daily life and craftsmanship of potters making clay pots. It's all about clay pots or pottery. So the mangalap ken agsansana. This is fishermen and salt makers work. So ito yung mga kinakanta ng mga folk songs. Ito yung mga folk songs na kinakanta to address the craftsmanship, for example, sa Manamili, and also fishermen and salt makers work, yung trabaho nila. So mostly, ang konteksto ng dyan, kanta ng di mangangalap, parang mangangalap ka ba? Parang may ginagawa ka ba? And Manamili, it's all about work. Work, work, work. Okay? Next is nature and beauty. Banatiran. Banatiran is a bird, waits patiently, symbolizing longing for a distant loved one. So, nakalagay siya sa nature and beauties, but pwede din siya ilagay sa love and courtship, no? Because symbolizing love for a distant, longing for a distant loved one. So, banatiran is a bird. And next is naraniag a bulan. Alam naman natin ng bulan is moon, di ba? Now, what is a naraniag a? So, the moon's glow reminds a person of someone they deeply miss. So, kapag nakikita nila ang buwan, it reminds them of a person who probably outshined or brings light to them, no? Kagaya ng isang buwan, napaka-mystic niya tignan. Okay, we also have orphanhood and hardship. So, kantati ulila. So, from the word ulila, it means orphan, no? Loneliness and longing for parental love. Loneliness and longing for a parental love. Ayan. Papanam, a person wonders where their life is headed, feeling lost and uncertain. So, hardship, struggling ka dito, papanam. So, a person wonders where their life is headed. Where life is headed, ito na lang. Where life is headed, feeling lost and uncertain. Dayo daytoy ayat o pag-ayat, Ilocano yan. Again ha, ang tawag ito? Ayat, Ilocano. Kung makikita kayo ng ayat, Ilocano matik yan. Next, we have life and nature. Same pa rin. Tarong kamatis paria. Paria means ampalaya. Playful conversation between vegetables about their worth. Sino sa kanila ang mas masustansya, and so on, so forth. Ti saluyot o saluyot mismo. So, praising the nutritional value of saluyot. Dagiti mulak, doesn't ring a bell, but it means a person lovingly tends to their plants, reflecting on their value. So, pinapahalagan ang mga plant, yung mga halaman. Okay. Meron din silang humor and playfulness na mga kanta. So, we have here that ti ayat ti may nga babae. So, from the word babae, no? That is babae. So, a humorous song about a woman's fickle love. So, search natin anong ibig sabihin ng fickle love. Search natin dito, baka meron. Babae. Babae. Wala. Fickle love. means, ano ibig sabihin ng fickle love? Ngayon ko lang na-encounter yung fickle love eh. Fickle love. Okay, thank you for the ano to? Gulaman to, hindi to fruit salad. Anyway, dumating yung kapatid ko. Anyway, fickle love is a phrase that means love can quickly change. Yung patay sinde, ano ba? It can also lack of loyalty, ayun, or constancy. Love can change. So, ano no? Isang iglap, nawala ang lahat. Yung parang, dati, ito, hindi ko pwede, hindi ko pa rin isigaw, ilakas yung boses ko. Okay. Parang ganito ba, yung mga lalaki is, ano ang tawag dito is, okay lang sa simula. Pero pag kalaunan, wala na. 'Di ba? So, sa humorous song about a woman's fickle love, bali ang babae dito, yung bigla nawala yung pag-ibig niya. So, ti Aya ti Maysa, parang curious ako dito. Wait lang ha. Ti Aya, curious ako sa ano eh. And unfortunately, mahina ang ating ano. Okay. Ti Aya ti Maysa nga ubing. Okay, wait lang po. Wait. Okay, ang daming ano eh, ang daming version eh. So, meaning na lang, no? Meaning. So, the lyrics of a very popular Ilocano folk song that an old man love is the bitterest of all loves. Okay. The lyrics. Try natin ano ha, kasi curious ako ito dito sa Ti Aya Ti Maysa nga babae. Humorous song about a woman's fickle love daw. Okay, let's proceed muna to Amom no Ada nagan mo. Naku po, paano ko ma-memorize na Ilocano ba to or hindi, no? Ito, makikita ko may ayat eh. Matik, ano yan? Ilocano yan. Ito kayong Amom no Ada nagan mo, a playful song about guessing someone's name. Okay. Okay. Badok Kadon, a light-hearted song teasing someone about their quirks. Quirks. Hindi na talaga ma-search, guys. Search na natin yung mga further information, no? Ano yung quirks? I'm pretty sure na pretty sure na alam ko to. Na narinig ko tong quirk. Peculiar. Okay. Kakaiba. Okay. So, a light-hearted song teasing someone about their quirks. Kakaiba. Or kakaibabe ka, no? Parang ganun. Lang-ay. Ay. Ilocano. A song celebrating festivity, joy, and social gatherings. Lagurta ti langit. So, it's all about heaven. A comical depiction of a disorderly yet lively scene in a place likened to heaven. Basta langit, heaven. Badok ka doon. Umulit. A fun teasing song about quirks and odd habits. Ito na lang, delete natin to. Nagimas kan mayang, a playful and flirty about attraction and woman. Bulan Sardam, may bulan, moon, a poetic description of the moon and its connection to love. The description. Okay. So, tapusin lang natin to, no? May philosophical pa eh. Dito tayo sa Agdamdamilikami. Ilocano ba to, guys? Wait lang. Confirm natin, Baka ibang tribe to, Ilocano song. Confirm. Agdamdamilikami, the life of pot makers in San Nicolas, emphasizing their craft. So, okay. Ilagay natin to sa Ilagay natin to sa work. Itabay natin sa potters na manamili. When you see mili, siguro, Namili, damdamili, mili means pottering or craftsmanship, no? Yan yung naiintindihan ko so far. And then next we have the umaykati eskwela. So it's all about when you say umaykati eskwela, oh, ano yan? Ilocano yan. Eskwela is school. So encouraging children to go to school and learn. Sa inita, the hardworking life of farmers, wife, children with daily struggles. So, wait lang po ha. I-transfer natin tong farmer's hardworking life of, farmer's wife pala, hindi pala yung filled with daily struggles. So, asawa mismo ng farmer. So social life yan. Dito tayo sa philosophical emotional themes ng Ilocano folk song. We have the Tidayaw. Okay? Pag may makita kayong that is Ilocano. A reflection on the value of honor and integrity. Dayaw is honor. Okay? Kasasaad ti kinabalasang, the joys and hardship of being a young woman, especially in marriage. So, emotional themes. Pwede natin ito ilagay sa kasaad ti the joys and hardship of being a young woman, especially in marriage. Okay, dito na lang muna yan. As asog dagiti kararua, the complaints of spirits lamenting their forgotten graves. Uy, wow. I-transfer ko lang tong kasasaad dito sa love kasi it mentions marriage Yan na lang sa love. Okay? So again, philosophical and emotional themes. You have the Tidayaw, that is honor. As asug dagiti kararua, it's the complaints of spirits. Nakalimutan yung mga libingan nila. Okay, so that's it for Ilocano. We will have our surely meron tayong prepared multiple choices about this Ilocano para ma-retain natin yung mga natin. Probably I will do the sorting game for this one. Okay. So that's it for the Ilocano folk songs. Next nating ita-topic or i-discuss is the Pangasinan, but that will be later on. It will be on a separate video, okay? Thank you everyone for why am I stuttering? Thank you everyone for listening. So it took us almost 13 minutes to finish a set of folk song. Kaysa nung nag-check tayo ng bawat song sa YouTube, natatagalan tayo doon kasi aside sa mahina yung internet, ang dami nating we make sure that we choose the correct example or YouTube video. So, ito, diretso lang tayo, diniscuss na lang natin kung anong ibig sabihin nito. And later on, we will surely have a multiple choice test. So, that's it for now. Thank you everyone for studying with me. Bye!